So, right now I just picked up my CPU, my Intel Q9550. Just picked it up from Canada Post. Yeah, things are becoming a bit too messy right now, but yeah, hopefully that new desk should sort things out. So the tower is all ready for the CPU. I'm gonna open it right now. This is the defining moment of my PC. See it? Okay. Fragile. Handled with care. So, it's expedited parcel. The thing behind the CPU change, before I open this, I originally planned on getting the Intel Q9450 OEM edition for like almost $150 less, but NCIX stopped selling them. They ran out of stock. They completely just stopped selling them, and their Q9450 retail were out of stock as well, and same with Newegg. Q9450 retail was out of stock, and I discovered that the Q9550 on NCIX was cheaper than the Q9540 and 950 on Newegg, and the 940 on NCIX. It was a bargain. It was a one-day sale, so I instantly ordered it, and here it is. So I'm gonna open this. I can already see the back. There we go, the Intel box. I think I got a free copy of Assassin's Creed and a magazine in here, Maximum PC. So here's the Core 2 Quad. It's a pretty small box. Pictures look a lot bigger. There's a stock cooler. I'm going to be using the stock cooler for the post test. Then I'm going to drop in the water cooling. Let's see what it says on the box. Intel Core 2 Quad inside. Blah 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 blah. A few days ago, some dude on NCIX realized that there was no processor in his box, and he opened it. So let's check that before I do anything. Oh, there it is. It's sitting right there. If only I knew how to lap. Oh, I could learn, but just zoom in on there. That's pretty good. Supports Intel VIIV processor technology, Intel Core 2 Quad, 45nm, 12 MB cache. This is amazing. Okay, let's see if I have the EO. I don't know how to check that, but I checked that on online. Pack date. I think you're supposed to check the pack date. Anything after August. The 6th. So that's January, February, March, April, May. This is not EO, I guess. May 25th, 2008. Slock. 45nm. Joining at the stock is running at 2.83 gigahertz. It's packaged in 775. Sadly, the Nihilums are coming out November 3rd. I'm already outdated, sadly. So, nothing really on the box. Let's get this open. Well, let's see what else is in here before that. So, this is a free copy of Assassin's Creed. It was just a promotion. I didn't really care. I already have Assassin's Creed. Might be a free giveaway on hardcoregamer.net. You guys should check out the website. Provide the link on the side, so let's check this out. Assassin's Creed, rated M for mature. I think it's a decent game. I think it's overrated. I really loved the idea in the beginning, but I don't know. It kind of got repetitive after the third assassination. So there you go. Must have been because I kept trying to assassinate people, and I don't know. Maximum PC do-it-yourself guide DIY it's an NCIX exclusive edition. I think it's just like a collaboration with Maximum PC and NCIX. Just a collection of all these old articles on how to build PCs, what you're supposed to do, blah blah blah. $5, I got it for free. How to overclock. Could be useful. Looks good. So I think that's everything. Seems to be everything. So we're gonna open the box with the Q9450 or Q9550, of course. There's some pretty serious thinking going on trying to open this box. So first you gotta cut these sealed security tabs on both sides. You part with the CPU, you put it down sideways, and you lift it up. I think. I don't know. Never actually seen an unboxing. Oh. The box is becoming damaged. It's not too good now, is it? Oh, that's awkward. Just gonna end anytime soon. Partially doing it wrong. There we go. It's out now. There we go. That wasn't too hard. CPU sitting upright. Protected by a plastic casing. If it wasn't, that'd be quite stupid. But Intel is pretty good with their packaging. So I took out this shell. Okay, so this for now is irrelevant. Okay, so we got the manual. I think that's a sticker. Intel Core 2 Quad Processor. Installation instructions, 3-year limited warranty. Well, now that I have a retail CPU, I have that warranty. Oh yeah, I would have had 1 year, but I don't find that a big deal. Like if my CPU ever did die, I just straight out replace it, and the chances are pretty low unless you really turn up your voltages. And I'm not planning to go too far on my voltages. So I got the casing open. Yeah, it just got a bit damaged on the plastic casing to show that this is not closable. It's pretty smart of Intel. CPU just popped out. It's in this little piece of plastic. Looks good. Let's see what it says here. Get some lighting on that. There we go. Intel Q950 Core 2 Quad. Stock, made in Malaysia, 2.3 GHz stock, 12 MB cache, 1333 front side bus, and all this other gibberish. That's the CPU. Stock cooler, 4-pin connector. I just think these are really crappy, but you know, they look decent. I guess I can keep this if my water cooling ever dies. Get some thermal paste all over this thing. CPU. So, what's left? What else is left? That's pretty much it. And the next video should be pretty interesting. Stay tuned.